love dice and dice. Many different concepts what you can use with dice and dice. One is just helping students with their basic facts. What I usually do with the students, if they're just starting out, basic for their basic operations, if you just take the 1 and you compare with you and a partner, and you roll it, and you have a 4 and a 1, and you could say, okay, what's the sum? 4 plus 1 equals 5. And if I'm doing mine, I would say my sum is 6 plus 1 is 7. Which one's greater? Which one's smaller? You could play as a war game, where if I had a larger sum, then I would take the dice. You can do advance instead of just 1, then you can do 2, finding the multiple sums as you go. To expand on that a little bit more, you could do with multiplication. Again, finding the product of the one particular dice. 4 times 6 is 24, and I would make sure that you say the whole equation, because that gives that the concepts. Then you also could go back to the fact families. Okay, if it's 4 times 6 equals 24, what would be that fact family? And you go 6 times 4 equals 24. Then you could even get into division. 24 divided by 4 equals 6, and 24 divided by 6 equals 4. If you want those real students that really need that extra challenge, what you could do is you have the 2 dice, find the sum, so 6 plus 6 is 12, and then 4 plus 1 is 5, 12 times 5 is 60. So you can even go in expanding on that. So it can be reinforcing, and also it can be just helping them to learn their basic facts. Another great concept is, the one thing I love is you have the 5 different colors. So you could help the students get into your basic, did I get it all? Yep, there we go. The 5 different colors, place value, helping the students understand place value. When you're starting out with the younger grades, you can only go to the tens, ones, tens, and hundreds, go into thousands and 10,000s. If you wanted to go into that aspect where they would, again, roll the die, and I have a 6 and a 4, well, that would be 10. Can't put 2 digits in one place value, so then I would want to move it over, so the 0, and you could talk about how it would have to go over to the next place value. And again, they could have it, say it, they can write it, you can have them compare again. So I love this because, another reason, kids love them, they're colorful, they make noise, they can put them all in their hand and shuffle them. So it's a great tool to have.